Alright guys, today I will finally be showing off the brand new ECLIPSE. Yes, ECLIPSE. Remember on my last video how I only showed you these three? Well, I accidentally showed this part and the picture of the character like a tiny bit. You might not notice it in the video, but I did when I was going like this. I went like this a bit, and like that, and like this, and I'm like, so I thought you guys already know, so I might as well just give it away. This is ECLIPSE. This is brand new. Like, I am so lucky that they even had these. They had two of these, and two ruined Chicas and two ruined Roxys. I'm gonna go back to that mall and collect them all. All right. That has a ring to it. I like that. I like it. That's kind of fresh. This is so rare to find. Like, honestly, I mean, that's what I know. I mean, I know that it's rare to find. I mean, let's just open it. Oh, but it's too good to take out of the box. Hell no, boy. Okay, it was hard to take the box out. I'm not gonna lie. I can't take the box out. Oh my god. Bro. Wait. I'm gonna let you guys just look at that. Wait a sec. Oh my gosh. Yo, what? Look at this. Oh, I'm so sorry I have to do this. But I have to do it. It's for my content. Look at this, right? Look at that, right? If you look closely, it has like a smiling face on it. It has like a smiling face on it, see? And this, right? Yeah, you see how like the T has like black dots? DJ Music Man. Yo, wait, can you? All right, I was about to say if you could wait. Does it stand? Let's see if it stands. Oh, it doesn't. Oh, okay. This is a cool Funko Pop. I think I might as well just put it back in the box. It's too good to even take out. It's too good to take out, guys. Why should I put it back in the box? Don't put it back in the box. Put it back in the box. Why? Because that's what Funko Pop collectors do when they find a rare Funko Pop. You're right, dude. I'm gonna put it back in the box. I will. You know what? I'm gonna put it back in the box. Yeah. I think I'm gonna put it back in the... Alright, who should I choose today? Eeny, miny, miny, you. Get out. Say hi to a little friend of ours that has joined the Avengers. You made me do this. Shoot you with the gun? Or call the FBI? Shoot you with the gun? Or call the FBI? Corey extension. You know I don't play games. You know what? This is for your own good, dude. I'm so sorry. Alright. Alright, guys. I'm gonna do this. That didn't even hit me. Are you good? FBI? We got him. Let me get this straight. I missed you. With the gun? Of course. Do you see me bleeding? The FBI is on its way. Why? Because you're collecting FNAF Funko Pops. When you're not even a FNAF fan. Why would you say that? Because I'm the real Foxer. And you know how I know that? Because the real Foxer was the one who did the Foxy unboxing video. He wouldn't do an Eclipse. But you still got me a free Funko. Heh. You actually found out. Alright. Hehe. Purple guy! Where is he, sir? Right there. Wait, I'm back. I always come back. We're back. There's nothing to do in the video, pretty much. There's nothing to do much in the video. This imposter literally already did the whole video for me. So, hey, but I still got a free unboxing. Peace. And I also got a free Funko, if you know what I mean. So, anyways, I appreciate this nerd for doing my video. So proud of him. He's growing up so fast. But, ooh, a stand. Let's check it out. Wait. All right. Let's see if this actually works. I think this does. Let's see. Huh? It works. All right, we're good. Free Funko. Check it out. Wait a sec. Wait, no, 11, you're staying here, huh? Yeah. I need to dust these things. Oh my god. This video has been taking the wrong turn, really. 5 seconds in the, like 20 seconds in the video, and it's already a whole disaster. Is this thing moving? No. Alright. Wait. Wait, does Foxy have a stand? Alright, no. No, alright. So yeah. I'm gonna put the plastic back, and I'm gonna show you in the next video the studio I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna put it in that studio right there. right behind you guys. Yeah, so for most of my videos now, you're probably gonna either find me in my living room, outside, or in the studio, honestly. I'm gonna ask my mom for like a camera, but like she can't because she's saving money for like an apartment or something. So yeah, I can do it right now. So yeah, I just got these. Well, no, my. Oh yeah, I think his name is His name is actually ECLIPSE. ECLIPSE. So yeah, ECLIPSE is my worst nemesis. So yeah, I hate ECLIPSE now. I always hated him in the first place. So yeah. Sorry. It went wrong. All right. It took a turn very quickly. I was just talking about ECLIPSE, and I had a thought we're gonna win. Oh, if you thought I said a bad word, I said fart, fugga. That sounds wrong to say. Fart, fugga, there. With 2 G's, not CK, G. Alright. So yeah. I put. Wait a sec. You thought you could get away, huh? This little buddy thought that he could get away from jumping off Foxy's box. You're my only Foxy. Well, the Foxies are trying to get away. Okay, especially this one. It makes sense. No, this one makes sense. I mean, he's not even sitting. He's just standing at this point. So, yeah. I don't know. Next box, I might put it, like, right here. And I might put glow-in-the-dark Springtrap right here on the box. Yeah. So, yeah. Peace. Bye, Scallywags.